What's the absolute best place to spend your hard-earned Rogers cashback rewards? Is it on everyday purchases, or is there a way to get more value? When I first got my Rogers credit card, I was looking for the most efficient way to redeem the cashback. I quickly realized there's one option that stands far above the rest, and it comes down to a simple bonus, the 1.5x redemption bonus. Here's the straight answer based on my experience. The best place to redeem your Rogers cashback rewards is on eligible Rogers, Fido, Shaw, or ComWave purchases or bill payments. Why? Because this is where you get the 1.5x redemption bonus. This means if you have, say, $100 in cashback, you can apply $150 towards an eligible purchase. It essentially boosts your value from a $1 to $1 redemption to a $1 to $1.50 redemption. So, when I get my monthly Rogers bill, which covers my internet or mobile service, that's my go-to. It's a guaranteed expense I have every month, and by applying my cashback to it, I maximize the value. It's effectively a 50% increase in my cashback's buying power. This bonus also applies to things like buying a new phone or accessories directly from Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. Now, what about the other options? The second way to redeem is to apply the cash back as a statement credit against any eligible purchase you've made on your card in the last 90 days. I use the Rogers Bank app for this. You just tap on a transaction and hit redeem. The credit then shows up on your statement. This is simple and flexible for things like groceries, gas, or a big travel purchase, but the value is $1 for $1. I only use this for any remaining balance after covering my Rogers bill, or if I don't have a high enough balance on my monthly bill to soak up all my rewards. A few quick, necessary details. You must have a minimum of $10 in cash back to redeem. The easiest way to redeem is through the Rogers Bank app, although you can also do it online. You can set up an automatic redemption for your next transaction once you hit the $10 minimum, but this might not always maximize the 1.5x bonus. I prefer to manually redeem against the Rogers bill to ensure I get that full bonus value. To wrap up my advice, always prioritize using your cashback for Rogers, Fido, Shaw, or ComWave bills or purchases to grab that 1.5x bonus. Every time I do, I'm basically reducing my bill by more than the cash I accumulated, and that's the best financial play for this card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.